Hi everyone, welcome all of you to this particular video. In this video, we'll study about the unigram, bigram, and in general, we call it ngram. So without delaying, let's get started. See you on the screen.
Let's see unigram, bigram, ngram with an example. Consider nature is beautiful and attractive. Let's see first unigram. Unigram says that take single word at a time. Like when you are constructing the feature for any featureization technique, then take single word at a time. Let's say we are constructing the bag of word that we have already seen in the previous video. So we are constructing the bag of word. So when we are constructing the bag of word, then its feature will be like nature, which will be one of the feature. It will be one another feature. Then beautiful and attractive. Then there will be other features from other sentences of the data. So here we will have bag of word like this: 1 1 1 0. So this is the unigram. Here we are having each word as a feature. Wow. Here we are having every single word as a feature. So this is the unigram. What bigram says? Bigram says that take pair of word. This means take two word at a time. That is when you are constructing the bag of word features, then take the two word. So here we will have like this: nature is will be one of the feature. This will be one feature. Then is beautiful will be another feature. And beautiful and so nature is beautiful and so these are the feature. So when we are constructing the bigram, then we are having these as a feature. Here we are having two word. So this is one time, so on. There will be another feature here. So this is the bigram. Bigram says take two word as a feature. So this is the bigram and this is the bag of word for the bigram. See, similarly we have ngram in general. So ngram says in general take n word at a time. Let's say we are having seven word in a sentence. So this is 7 word in a sentence, and we are constructing the 5 gram. So here we will have 5 word. So this is the 5 word. So this is one feature. This is another feature of 5 word. This is the another feature of 5 word. Hope so you are getting it. So this is the 5 gram. So similarly we will have in general n gram. So this is what unigram, bigram, or in general ngram. And now let's move on to the next slide. So here we have. Now let's see why ngram. So for understanding why ngram, let's consider the below two sentiment. We are having first sentiment. If we will see it, then it's positive sentiment, and it's a negative sentiment. Now let's construct the bag of word. First let's remove the stop word. So let's say these are stop word. Here is stop word. So after removing the stop word, let's construct the bag of word for R1. It will be like, let's make some space. It will be like happy. We are considering unigram. Happy, not sad. One time, 0 time, and so on. So this is the bag of word for R1, bag of word for R1. Let's construct the bag of word for R2 and let's see what happened. If we will see it, then we have exactly same word for R2 as well. Happy, not sad. Since the order doesn't matter in bag of word features, order doesn't matter. Happy, not sad will be the same. Will be in same order for the both feature. Sorry, will be the same order for both the sentences. So if we will construct the bag of word for R2, then it will be exactly the same. Let's construct it. Happy one, not one, sad not, remaining all 0. This will be exactly the same bag of word for R2. So we can see that even though we are having two different sentiments, still we are seeing the same bag of word, right? So isn't it's a problem? So how we can solve this problem? We can solve this by considering the bigram or in general ngram. So that's why we use bigram or ngram. Let's see. Let's construct the bigram for it. If we will construct the bigram, then what will be the case? Here we will have happy not one feature, then we will have not sad. This will be the set of features for R1, and for R2 we will have sad note and not happy. We can see that we are having different feature here. These are another features, and these two features are not the same. So bag of word really differentiating these two sentiments, that we have positive negative sentiments. So bag of word really sorry, not bag of word, I mean bigram or ngram really differentiating these two sentiments. So that's why we use bigram in or in general ngram. We can say that bigram captures the some of the contextual information, right? Because if we will see here, so it's not just considering the sad, it's considering not sad. It means it considering the context of the sad, right? So we can say that by ngram captures the some of the contextual information. We can't say ngram captures the entirely contextual information, because for this we have another very famous algorithm like word embedding. We will study much later word embeddings that captures the entirely contextual information. So for now we can say that this bigram or ngram considered captures the sum of the contextual information. So this is why we use the ngram. And in summary we can say that ngrams capture, that we have already seen that what we studied, ngram captures the more context, reduce the ambiguity. We have seen that it is reducing the ambiguity between the two different sentiments. So it is reducing the ambiguity and improving the performance of NLP task by considering the relationship between the words. So this is it for this video, and see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. See you.